just tell you, explain you what can be a question. What can be a question? Which areas examiner is focusing on? Is he focusing or that is expected to be known? Hypothetical question. Is examiner expecting from you or that has to be known by an UPSC aspirant? It has to be known by UPSC aspirant. ठीक है? That is what examiner is insisting on. एक IAS के बंदे को इन सब चीजों का जानकारी होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि यूपीएससी इसके बारे में पूछ रहा है इसलिए हमें पढ़ना है, नहीं. So you have to know a few things. Why to read history? Why to know about history? You have to understand the history for understanding the future. You have to understand history for understanding future. इससे पहले ऐसा हुआ था तो आगे कैसा होने वाला है वो चीज समझ में आता है आप लोगों को. So everything has a historical basis. Anything, any economic institution, any social institution, any political institution, any system has a historical basis. So you people are administrators, right? Especially these administrators should know the historicity of each and everything. Normal बंदे को कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. For an administrator, he should know the historicity. Historicity of the land tenures, historicity of the slavery, historicity of the caste system, historicity of the economic systems, historicity of the trade aspects. So from that perspective, we have to understand the history. An UPSC aspirant and IAS aspirant. Accordingly, UPSC is framing the questions on those directions or on those lines. ठीक है?